You're the smartest guy I ever met. You're too stupid to see. Made up his mind 10 minutes ago. Do what you're gonna do.